Good morning, students. Today, the problem is a little bit different. Here, if we want to calculate a work done for a gas, if both the pressures are given and no volume is given, we need to get the volume from some area and its stroke length, etc., etc. So ultimately work done has to be calculated by using pressures as well as stroke length and area of the piston. So this is the main gist of today's model problem. So how to do this problem? First, let's understand the question clearly. A cylinder, an engine cylinder, has a piston of area 0.12 meter cube. Here, one area is given. So, first, initially, we will be going to write given data as per our basic context is concerned. Area A is equal to 0.12 meter square. It's not meter cube, it's meter square. Okay. And pressure of contains a pressure of P1 is equal to small p1 is equal to 1.5 megapascals, and the gas expands according to the process which is represented by a straight line. I mean, the expansion process of the gas, something like if it is a PV diagram like this, for example, the process will be from 1 to 2. It is a straight line. It's not about a curved line, or any curve is not following by the gas. So, and on a pressure volume diagram, the final pressure P2 is equal to 0.15 megapascals. And just try to remember, guys, both the things are in megapascals. Finally, if we solve the same problem without changing the units, we will get the answer in mega. So finally, work done is to be calculated here. So work done will be getting in joules. So the answer will be in megajoules. So depending upon your requirement, whether you want to get in megajoules or kilojoules or joules, so you have to convert accordingly. I'm just leaving the same thing like this only. And finally, I'll just try to change the units. And work done by the gas is given. If stroke length is here, the stroke length is also given. L is equal to 0.30 meters. So finally, if the same thing is given like this, how to solve the problem? Initially, the problem can be solved in many number of ways. The final target is to calculate the work done for a gas. So if we want to calculate the work done, if this is a PV diagram, here gas is following a straight line process like this. So initial pressure contains at 1.5. Initial pressure is high. So this is the higher pressure when compared to this one. So this is something like 1.5 megapascals. So that is P1. So if it is P1, the same respective portion, if we calculate a vertical, if we drop a vertical, we'll get V1. V1 అనేది ఇది అవుతుందండి. అలాగే if this is P2, so P2 is lower than the P1, 0.15 megapascals. So this will be V2. We know work done is the area that is enclosed here. Okay, so if the area enclosed, whatever the area that is enclosed under this straight line, if we want to calculate, we can calculate by using areas method. So this is the areas method problem. We have to calculate the area of triangle and we have to calculate the area of rectangle, and finally we have to add both the areas, and finally while getting the answer in the same way. So initially just I will name this as, for my convenience, as ABC. So what is BC, what is AB, and what is AC? So how we are going to solve this problem? Work done is equal to, just I am going with the process. I will try to know without by hearting how to solve the problem without by hearting the things. This area of triangle area ABC plus area of this one ABC, some DE, if it is given like this, area of BCED, this rectangle, that is area of triangle plus area of rectangle. This is the thing, area of triangle plus area of rectangle, that we need to know. So for calculating, just here, if we want to calculate the work done, we have to get the answers of BC, AB, etc., etc., to solve this in this way. So and one more thing is, area of triangle is half BH, half into base into height, plus base into height, or L into B, something like that. So I have taken a L, B into H, common notations. B into L we can take, or in your fashion. Here B is equal to base BC, so half into BC into height, this is the height AB, plus base BC and ED are same, so I am taking BC because here we are having one BC and one BE or CD, so BE I am taking here. So what we know here, do we know BC, AB and BE? First we will try to get those details. BC, so calculating BC, calculating BE and calculating AB, question mark. So the distance between 1.5 and 0.15, 1.5 and 0.15, the total distance is 1.5. If we subtract this 0.15, we will get some value, that is x value here. So like that I will calculate AB. So I will calculate AB in such a way that AB is equal to 1.5 megapascals minus 0.15. So 1.5 minus 0.15, 1.35 is the answer that you got here. So this is 1.35 megapascals, or AB is something like area, right? So we will eliminate this one, 1.35, and only 1.35 we got. BC and BC we need to get. BC is equal to this base. From here to here the piston is moving, means there is a stroke length. Directly we can take as a stroke length. అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి పిస్టన్ మూవ్ అవడం వల్లే కదండి 1.5 నుంచి 0.15కి వస్తుంది. సో సారీ, 1.5 నుంచి 0.15కి పిస్టన్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఏంటంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్ట్రోక్ లెంగ్త్. వీ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఎ స్ట్రోక్ లెంగ్త్. సో ఇఫ్ వీ టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఎ స్ట్రోక్ లెంగ్త్, ద స్ట్రోక్ లెంగ్త్ ఈస్ గివెన్ యాజ్ 0.3, and only mere taking stroke length will not count our problem. We have to multiply with area to get the volume, total volume, because the x-axis is total volume. So if we want to get this volume, we need to multiply this stroke length of, from here to here, the stroke length is 0.3 meters. This is displacement into what is the area? Area is 0.12. So 0.3 into 0.12 will get the answer as 0.0036 BC. So BC, we got this one. Finally, we need to calculate BE. BE is equal to, so here BE, this distance is nothing but from here to here, it is 0.15 megapascals. This will be in the pressure units only. So directly we can take 0.15 value. So we got this also. Directly work done can be calculated because 1, 2, 3 unknowns. 3 unknowns has been resolved here. Directly you can solve this problem from this method, like work done is equal to, by substituting BC as 0.0036, AB as 1.35 plus BE, BC as 0.0036 into 0.15. By mere calculations, so calculations has to be done in a clustered manner, guys. Just try to remember. I'm sorry. Okay. In a clustered manner, like 0.0036 into 1.35. We'll first multiply this one divided by 2. We'll get some answer as some 2.43 into 10 power minus 3. So into minus 3 is 0.00243. Power minus 3, we have to add 2 zeros here, plus 0.0036 into 0.15. Something like 5.4 into 10 power minus 4. Minus 4 is, we have to add 3 zeros here, 5, 4. So something like, if we add both the things, 00243 and the previous one, 0 to something like 2.97 into 10 power minus 3. That is 2 zeros, 297 joules. Work done totally calculated, work done totally calculated in terms of megajoules. But if we want to calculate the same thing in kilojoules, this mega is 10 power 6, kilo is into 10 cube, 2.97 kilojoules. Work done is equal to something like, I'm sorry students, a small correction is there here. 0.3 into 0.12 is 0.036. I have taken double zeros here. I'm sorry for that. If I remove 1 0, 0.00243 will be changed. 1 0 will be reduced here and here also. The answer will be work done is equal to 0.0243 plus 0.0054, 0.0297 megajoules. And if we want to convert into kilojoules into 10 cube, 29.7 kilojoules of work done. Calculate, already he has given that calculate the work done by the gas. On the gas is negative and by the gas is positive. Here just try to recapitulate the things. Work done on the gas is negative, work done by the gas is positive. This is by, this is on. So already on by the gas is given, so already we got the answer as 29.7 kilojoules. Thank you.